My name is Emma with Arizona Science Center, and thank you so much for joining me today. Today, we are going to explore the science behind a craft you might have done at home and you can follow along with. Today, we are going to be making our own natural air freshener. So I know I love to use my sense of smell, so we're going to be making a really nice air freshener. And what we're going to be using is an orange or any kind of citrus, so you could do a lemon as well if you'd like. So a citrus and whole cloves. We do want to get them in the whole cloves, and then a toothpick will be our tool, and then something extra you can add in is ground cinnamon. We're going to use all of that to make an air freshener that can last a while. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to use the toothpick and poke a hole in our orange wherever you'd like it placed. When we poke the hole in the orange, what do you notice? I notice that the orange starts to smell a lot stronger. Why do you think that is? Why do you think that is? Well, in the peel of the orange and just under it, there's a lot of essential oils, and that's a lot of what you're smelling when you smell a citrus. So by piercing the peel, we release those essential oils that we can smell, and then we're going to fill that hole with one of the cloves. Now these can be a little pokey, so you want to be a little careful with them, but you're going to go ahead and put it in so you have your clove in your orange. And then you're just going to keep doing that until you have a design on your orange that looks the way you want it to. So this is part science craft, part art craft, because it does involve you being able to design your freshener to look the way you want it to. Now, the cloves do smell really good on their own, but there's actually a reason why we use these with our natural air freshener. Why do you think that is? What happens to fruits and vegetables when you just leave them out? You just leave them on your counter, weeks go by. What happens to them? Yeah, they start to go bad. Cloves are actually a natural preserving agent. So even way back in the medieval times, before people had refrigerators, they had to find a way to preserve their food. And one way to do that is actually with cloves. They help prevent bacteria from growing, which will help our natural air freshener last longer. And they also help soak up the juices from our orange, helping it dry out. Because if we dry out our orange, it'll actually last longer. Now, if you dehydrate your orange, you'll actually be able to get this natural air freshener to last for months because we're using natural preserving agents. So this is a fun craft you can do at home, exploring your sense of smell and the science behind natural preservatives. If you want to add an extra smell and prevent any mold from growing, you can add in ground spice. Just grab a paper bag or a Ziploc bag, but paper works best. Put your cinnamon in, put the orange in, and shake it all up so it gets nice and covered, and then let it dry out for about a week. And then your natural air freshener should last because cinnamon is an antifungal, so it helps prevent mold from growing. Okay, I hope you have an awesome time exploring this craft. If you are proud of your creation, leave a picture down below so we can see what you made. And remember, you can always connect with us at azscience.org. Thank you all so much for joining me. Bye.